Hey guys, welcome back to Playing with Pablo. With our friends here at the Montgomery County Fair. Ahí está Celian, there's Luis, ahí está Pablo. Little Alberto baby's down here. It's like a carnival atmosphere. We're having a great time. What?
Look at the bumblebee.
There's robots, there's transformers. It's awesome. We're gonna have lots of fun. So come and enjoy the ride. Woo!
By an old mama lion, well, there ain't no height for woman make me walk the line.
16 Mommy, look at this.
Good job, excellent job, Pablo. What is this? Let me see.
Water.
This is, hey guys, this is a water pump like in Orocovis.
Oh, no.
Get us on the tractor! Beep, beep, beep. Look at Alberto riding his red tractor! Go ahead, squeeze it. That's how we get milk from the cows. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. If we want some milk from the cow, we squeeze all day long. We're squeezing the cow's milk. There's Alberto squeezing the cow. So this is how we get milk, guys.
That's a nice cow.
It's a nice cow. What's her name, sir?
You have a good name?
Betsy is her name. Yeah. What are you doing, Pablo?
What are you doing, goat?
What are you doing, goat? It's a baby goat.
I'm looking at this.
What are those?
Chickens.
Chickens?
Yes, it's chicken.
Hello, Mr. Chicken.
What's chicken doing? And what's chicken doing?
The chicken is scratching.
It's scratching this.
Albertito, what are you doing, buddy?
Chicken.
Chicken. What is that?
A bee.
That's a beehive?
Yeah. It's not touching.
The queen is on this side.
Oh, look at there's
La
that.
reina.
¿Cómo se ve?
Oh, wait. No.
Whoa! There's the queen, guys. That's her right there. Whoa!
That is
Awesome.
count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many bees are there, Pablo? How many bees? A million bees!
Daddy, over here.
Mr. Turkey is in his house.
Dad, look, where's that other one?
There's 2 turkeys.
Another one. Daddy, another one.
And a big one. And what sounds does the turkey make? Look at the transformer, Alberto. That's cool.
Time to get down lower.
Wait for Daddy. What are you doing?
Pablo, finish the shark.
Pablo's fishing for sharks.
I got that.
Good job, buddy. What is that, buddy?
Bunny. Bunny.
It's a doggy show, buddy.
A doggy show.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to Play Pablo. Look at the doggy show.
There's a doggy show. Hey!
Look at dog.
Good job, doggy.
A dog is win. Dog win.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey guys, hope you had a fantastic time with us here at the Montgomery County Fair. It was awesome.
Daddy, some giant monkey cow.
We saw a humongous cow. We had lots of food. We had lots of fun. We saw a bunch of animals.
Daddy, the pig and the horse is not here.
There weren't any horses, but we saw cows and we saw a dog show.
A dog
And
is
bunny and pig and cow.
And bunnies and pigs and cows and dogs.
together to run quickly.
Yeah, the dog was running quickly. He was grabbing his frisbee.
And they run too faster.
Yeah, he was going faster. So thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye,